We're gonna start with the monkey walk now. Come here, Erik. So what we're going to do, we're gonna be in front of you. We're gonna place the arms a bit to the side from the body. We're going to lean on the arms, and we're gonna move the legs with a little jump, like past the arms.
Okay.
So move the arms, the elbow to the side, jump the legs. Exactly. And you can try it again. Yeah. That's right. And you can. There's a couple of ways to do this. This basically is very free for you. If you want to, you can be in like a proper squat and go very slow, or you can be in this kind of toe squat as well.
Okay.
It's very free. And then it can be very little jump. Nice. We're going to do the Komodo walk, which is a moving push-up sequence where the arms are placed unevenly. So you can start by going into this kind of lunge, right? Then place the arms this way. One is further, one is closer to the leg. Then you lift the knee of the other leg. Good. And then you make a push-up. Nice. The next exercise is the grab walk. We're going to walk forward with it. So go sit on the ground, bend the knees, then push yourself. Good. You don't need to keep it here now. You can keep it kind of low, and then start taking steps. And once again with opposite leg, opposite arm, start taking steps. Oh, just little steps. You can try to do like a walk, how it feels natural for you. Little steps. You can keep the butt a bit lower. Okay. And then just little steps.
Oh.
Little steps. Right. Well done, man. Okay, so let's start slowly. We're going to start with the monkey, move on to the Komodo walk, then the crab walk, so it's like over there, back, and over there. Okay, you ready?
As ready as I will be.
Great. Okay, let's start the monkey. Let's go another round. You can do this. Monkey. here is a friend of mine and a client, and we just did workout with the basic animal walks, and as you saw, they can be very challenging, although they look maybe not so hard, but they work very well. The muscles burn, right? Okay. So this workout, it had many drills from our product Movement Training XX. I like to use these kind of animal walks combined with the mobility drills, and then of course use some very basic strength exercises as well. And if you did not know, I also do online coaching. I train people, for example, whether it's mobility, could be strength, fat loss, basically anything that you like to have help with, I can help. So the links are below, and you can find the online coaching website and all these from there. So this was the workout. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you soon. Take care.